much excite because I'm essentially a kid who just hasn't grown up yet. Christmas has come early. Got a shipment from Cognito, and I'm gonna set this camera up. I'm gonna unbox it. I think you guys are gonna really like what's inside. It's gonna make a mess. Digging for treasure. The most perfect time for a phone call. The hotness. Oh my god. So blue 36 spoke warp 9s with the Cognito CX500 Build hub. Oh, matching front and rear. Obviously in blue. So this kind of sets the stage for maybe color combos that we're going to go for and the overall look. I figured we'd try something a little bit different. You know, I love gold wheels, I love black wheels, and I love polished. Haven't seen many in blue, so we're gonna see. But I think it's gonna look hot. How sick does this thing look so far? I'm beyond excited for these wheels. They just bring the bike to the next level. Shout out to Cognito and Warp 9. These things fit great. Direct bolt on, no issues. I got a 140 tire on here. I have really good clearance. No interference issues. And if you wanted to go with a 150 or something even, I'm sure you could probably get into clearancing the swing arm, but I think the 140 looks really proportional on the back. It's not overly wide. It's not like a damn V-rod or anything like that. So I still have to, what I'll have to do is build a caliper bracket retainer. That won't be too hard. Then I got to start thinking about running my brake lines, and once I get the rear sets built, then I can mount the master cylinder, and then, you know, that's just part of it. but the wheels fit and they look phenomenal. Excited to keep moving forward on the bike.